Okay, today I will show you something cool, awesome, sweet. I am going to eat poo-poo. And when I finish eating that, you all better clap for me, okay? Yeah, okay. But you're still gonna clap for me. I know what you're doing in your mind. You must be thinking I'm crazy, but I'm not. I ate poo-poo. You better all clap for me now.